Yo.
Yes, hello, handsome boy. Just now, three of us. We are good-looking men on this line.
Chris, Sachin sir, what's happening?
Very good, bye, and uh, really happy. Song is doing well. Amore is doing well. बंद करके चालू कर. कितना कुछ बढ़िया म्यूजिक बन रहा है. So अभी we'll take all these questions for Amal also, for Crisbo also, but अभी मैंने Crisbo को कहा था कि you should just drop at least one verse for all the people who haven't heard the song. A lot of them have the song.
So here goes. I'm going to give you the third verse, the final verse, which has somewhat of motivational lines as well, and which is the true meaning of why I made the song. And it goes like, भाग मत, खुद सिचुएशन संभाल, कॉमन सेंस कभी कभी कर इस्तेमाल, जिसमें कम है दिमाग वो सिर्फ करते सवाल, डेयरिंग करेगा तभी करेगा कमाल, बेटा फिर चाहे जीते या तू हारेगा, हारा भी तो कुछ सीख जाएगा, सीखेगा जो आगे काम आएगा, खुद ही सारे काम कर पाएगा, अब सबको तू मत कर पे, खुद ही करो रोल सारे प्ले, पहले खुद के नजरिए से देख, बंद करके चालू करके देख, बंद करके चालू करके देख. Yeah.
I love this project. Like me and Krish, I don't know if he's already told you, we go back like third standard से हम दोस्त हैं. And second में मैंने नहीं मानी थी दोस्ती, third तक मान गया था.
हाँ.
ऐसे की थी, like he was the most strongest kid in school and he punched me in the stomach. And मैंने complain इसलिए, he tells me this now कि तूने complain नहीं किया इसलिए मैंने दोस्ती कर ली तुझसे.
That's the truth.
That's my
मेरी friendship का test था जो ये pass कर गया. You know, I was a very bad boy in school and my school is a great school and I was the worst boy in the history. And I tested Amal, you know, and I've tested a lot of friends I've made over the years. I punched him and I see if he complains about me or not, and he didn't, you know, and he's like, क्या है मारा क्यों and all that. I'm like, सही है, तू complain नहीं कर रहा, आज से तू मेरा दोस्त है, अब तेरे को कोई tension नहीं देगा.
back संभालेगा तेरा कोई झगड़ा.
हाँ, yeah. Now then I had his back and he was also growing up. Now he's had my back by supporting me academically, you know, because I used to not be as bright as he is, and his mom is actually a very good teacher and used to teach him and trained him really well. So before every exam, I used to call him up and say,
for Krish also.
Yeah. Before every exam, I used to call him down and say, can I take your notebook and Xerox notes so that I can study for my exam tomorrow? And then his mom used to be like, who is this kid and why are you friends with him? You know, like before every exam. Yeah, so but he was always helpful.
28 साल से कोई दोस्ती को नहीं तोड़ पाया, हमारी ऐसी दोस्ती है.
अरे माशाल्लाह ना टूटे यार. एंड मुझे तो अच्छा लग रहा है कि मतलब तुम पढ़ाई में भी अच्छे थे. Like such a bright example.
पढ़ाई में बहुत अच्छा था अमल. उसको थोड़ा मैंने बिगाड़ दिया स्कूल में, उसके बाद तब से लड़का हाथ से छूट गया.
We get lots and lots of questions. लेकिन इससे पहले मैं I want to congratulate you, Amal.
Is there anything somebody is just hanging quite a bit? Give me 1 second. Just
yeah, it is.
अभी थोड़ा एक्चुअली इंस्टा लाइव थोड़ा लंबा होना होता है तो हैंग हो जाता है. जैसे लोग हाइट बढ़ते हैं ना तो
3 हेवी कनेक्शन है ना साथ में.
ओह गुड. ये 3 ऐसे लोग ऐसे साथ में जो एक के ऊपर एक पंच मारने वाले हैं. और आई मस्ट टेल यू गाइस, अगर कभी 1-on-1 बातचीत हो तो बहुत एक आरजे के लिए बड़ा मुश्किल होता है, क्योंकि अमाल का सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर इज इम्पेकेबल. We talk a lot about music, लेकिन हम बीच में इतने पीजेस मारते हैं. कई बार मेरे लिए सबसे मुश्किल हो रहा था कि आरजे मैं हूँ या आरजे अमाल है.
Amal has very good talking skills. He can really talk.
बहुत रिक्वेस्ट करके मैंने और कृष्ण ने इस बार, because obviously he's been part of Miss You Amore also, he's produced the track with me. हम लोग ने इस बार लास्ट टाइम हमने किया था रेड एफएम के साथ ही, पर हमने बोला हमें इस बार सचिन सर ही चाहिए, नहीं तो हम नहीं कर पाएंगे. क्योंकि मुझे आरजे बनना पड़ता है उसमें, क्योंकि आपके जैसा you know the way you handle a session, I don't think, मैं ऐसे नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, you know me, मैं बोलता हूँ. I loved all his interviews, the way he has his own page also where he, you know, what the copy, I'm a fan of that, like the way
I love that. I love those posts. There's so much intel, you know, there's so much knowledge.
So because
I shown it to all
we love music, but I'm trained, I make music, but साथ में geek about information कि ये चीज पता होनी चाहिए, फिर लोगों को इसके साथ शेयर करना चाहिए, वो excitement है. Like you're excited making tunes and sharing a vision. मैं अमोरे के बारे में बात करना चाहता हूँ. A lot of people want to know about this. Like इस पे कब से काम चल रहा है, ये सब चीजें बात. Tell us something that you know that we really don't know about this song, because there's so much out there about this song already. Like
a lot of people still don't know that, like they've heard, they don't understand the, how do I put it, the magnanimity of a collaboration like this. Andrea Bocelli's son and Sardar grandson.
A legend himself.
Celine Dion and big concerts and मतलब Grammy winning, कुछ ऐसी कुछ चीजें हैं, और उनकी फैमिली में अब now you collaborate. This is, you're a flag bearer, man. You're just taking it to another level. Nice.
Yeah, proud of you, bro.
I think Sardar Malik's grandson coming together with Andrea Bocelli's son, you know, that legacy and that kind of music that he does, orchestral operatic music, and I use a lot of live instruments, as you know, in my music too, even though today electronic music is at its topmost shelf, but still keeping the essence of that world. That's why I think we both were the apt choice, but this was the apt song, and no one thought कि English, Hindi, Italy, you know, the Italian words कहीं से मिलके एक गाना बन भी सकता है. मैंने खुद नहीं सोचा.
होगा बीच में एक इंडियन साउंड होगा उसमें.
वो
मतलब
people realize that it sounds like one of my, like they are relating to it because they say it sounds like an Amal Malik song, but it's got an English verse on it, so it's beautiful. They're confused and beautifully confused.
Yeah, it's like a perfect fusion now, because his verse also sounds such an Indianized, you know, Western verse. It's just perfectly fit.
Abhi I just thought of it. I think why don't we do an experiment? Because I want to talk about both the songs, different styles that both you friends have.
Yes.
हम और maybe one of the raps of Crisba, हम उसको थोड़ा एक fuse करने की कोशिश करते हैं. Maybe you just sing the mukhra of the song and then let him drop a verse. It'll be right nice.
Oh, nice.
Mashup. Wait, let me try and switch on my piano. Then once I finish that, then I'll stop playing. Then you can immediately jump into it.
Then I'll just start randomly. I'll just start over.
Yeah, but see what lyrics you think can go after that? I think get from Bhai Ka 101. I love it.
Yeah, so I'll come from the second verse, which will lead to that.
Now you're trying your favorite verse. Now sing my favorite verse of your song.
Yeah, your favorite verse. I'll sing. Done.
एक मिनट.
अभी ये दो दोस्त जो कि स्कूल में सेकंड क्लास में थर्ड क्लास में तब से उनकी दोस्ती है, अब रेड एफएम इंडीज पे अब उनका हम एक बड़ा यूनिक सा कोलैबोरेशन कर रहे हैं. Missy Amore and Chris Boy will be dropping a rap verse. This is such a
आंखें जो नम है, अश्क वो हम है, प्यार है या फिर किस्सा खत्म है, कह दो भले तुम तेरे तेरी कसम है, जो मैं उसे कैसे नहीं जानता, वो कहे भी मुझे यादें शाम तेरी, तुझसे बात में फिर भी बातें तेरी.
yeah, a little bit of
same, and you tell me it's you I'm more.
बंद कर, चालू कर, किटपिट मत कर, घुस थोड़ा अंदर, डोंट बी एन अनपढ़, मेले जमेलों में ढूंढता क्यों नंबर, पकड़ औजार और काम तेरे कम कर, भाई का 101 मंत्रा है ये, रूल्स के हिसाब से ना चलते हैं ये, करते जुगाड़ खोल खा के सामान, किसी के भी भरोसे ना रहते हैं ये, दिमाग की बत्ती जला ले तू, भाई बंद तो साइकिल चला ले तू,
Yeah.
होगा वो होता जो होने दो, मत कर बहाने और अक्कल लगा ले तू, होगा नहीं तुझसे तो वेट 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 वेट, खुद को तू मत कर लेट 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 लेट, फिर से तू स्टार्ट करके देख, बंद करके चालू करके देख 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 देख, बंद करके चालू करके देख 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 देख, थोड़ा उसको टेढ़ा करके देख 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 देख, बंद करके चालू करके
I love this line. इसे टेढ़ा करके देख, मतलब just realigning yourself.
It's
Oh, cool.
motivating, yes. So underbelly Mumbai, and it's beautiful.
I honestly feel it's how Indians are inherently, built, that we actually try everything, literally try everything to make it work, to make your work done.
It's
You
like
keep trying. How many ever times you fail, you'll try every approach. So, and the first step would be to anything is you turn it off and you turn it on before you take any second step. First step you'll do is एक बार बंद करके चालू कर ले, नहीं होता है तो फिर दूसरी चीजें देखेंगे.
इसमें मैं
Very nice.
कहना चाहता हूँ कि मेरे घर पे जब हम लोग सब प्ले स्टेशन खेलते हैं तो हम लोग ने तोड़ दिए रिमोट कि बंद करके चालू करके भी नहीं चल रहे वो अब.
हाँ. और जब मैं और अमल खेलते और गलती से उसने पहला गोल मार दिया ना फीफा में, तो मैं फट से रिस्टार्ट कर देता हूँ, सॉरी बंद करके चालू कर.
नहीं, लेकिन
नॉट फेयर ब्रदर.
देख रहा हूँ इतने सारे म्यूजिक की बात कर रहे हैं बीच में. आई गेट अ आई वाज जस्ट लुकिंग फॉर सम वियर्ड कमेंट्स एज वेल. शरीशा शेख, आई डोंट नो आई हैव गॉट अ नेम राइट. बाल बड़े अच्छे लगे हैं अमाल मलिक. मतलब आने वाली
Share
बात कर रहे हैं बीच में बाल. Okay, so we also taking why don't we take some questions. मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, okay, उसकी रिक्वेस्ट आ रही है. But yeah, do you want to ask something, Krisba, Amal, both? Do you want to, because पहले वाले में अमाल थोड़ा सा सिग्नल भी थोड़ा सा इशू ड्रॉप हो रहा था. So do you want to sing something, if you're in the zone, if you're in the mind space, yeah, you just want to talk about the music today, or do you want to sing?
I'll say towards the end, but what I want to say is that I am really happy to see that I would say someone like Yash Narvekar, Krish, and everyone from outside, we're like a family of musicians now. We're best friends and childhood friends, and the clan is coming out together. Sab apne styles are varied music. So Krish is bringing rap and very different kind of music which defines him. Yash Narvekar just dropped a song called Bewaja. I have done Sun Mahi with Arman, and now I've done this with Mateo and Sukriti Prakriti. So I think good music is happening all around all of us, and I think the people here who are there, they have previously, and Krish debuted as a musician. I wrote Chale Aao for him, which was sung by Ash King. This is his second song, but the first time he'll be featuring in his own video, and it's going to drop really soon in about a week, 10 days. So I want to tell everyone to look out for Band Karke Chalu Karke Dekh's video, and hopefully we get time to meet more this week because we are busy with my next single. And so I think we should do a real Krish on Band Karke Chalu Karke Dekh together. Because
totally, bro, that'll be
I really
fire.
connect to that song कि वो मेरे माइंडसेट से भी बहुत यानी मुझे इंस्पायर करता है कि भाई का 101 फंडा है, रूल के हिसाब से ना चलते हैं ये. So me that I want to do.
But one thing is, जैसे you take all these names, आपने इस गाने का अमोरे का बात किया है, या फिर even बंद करके चालू करके, you just featured it today on the show as well. But
Lovely.
even Yash Narvekar song, all these songs we are like regularly premiering and featuring all these artists.
Yeah.
Doing it. What I really like about the fact that you're not just friends, but now you are supporting each other. Like you're writing songs for him and everything. एक लोगों को लगता है कि म्यूजिक कम्युनिटी में बड़ा एनिमोसिटी रहता है, सिर्फ सेल्फिश लोग रहते हैं, सिर्फ अपना काम करते हैं, बट इट्स अमेजिंग, यू सेटिंग अ क्वाइट कूल एग्जांपल.
एक हद तक सच ही है, but I think music is a collaborative process, and when I am composing, like there are so many people together. I'm not just saying my friends, they have always been the first year, like my family, they have heard all my songs first hand. But एक गाने में एक arranger, music producer, instrumentalist, recording engineers, mixing engineers, miking करने वाले लोग, सब कुछ, यानी almost, यानी I can say we are the composers, the band master in a way, but it's a band of people.
It's a collaborative effort, always.
So, and मैं तो अपने फैंस, मेरे फैंस और मेरे फैन फैमिली जानती है कि आई सपोर्ट anyone who does good original work. It's not just my friends, you know. They deserve that support because they are doing good work. If they were not, they also wouldn't come up to play me a song.
Correct.
We are so sure about each other and our own thing कि we will not present songs to each other till we are sure about it. So I think
Yeah.
जिस गाने में Krish has committed, he's made a wonderful song. He's made a wonderful song which is completely a contrast to this, and I think I might sing it. You know, because I don't want to touch the composition. It's that good. So ऐसे हम लोग सब साथ में एक दूसरे की एक synergy है, एक अच्छी I would say cosmic conspiracy of great musicians who we sit and we jam, and there is no ego, there's nothing, and I don't have friends who are like yes, I don't have
बिना ईगो के कर रहा है, तभी वो ग्रो कर रहा है. कि वो बिना ईगो अगर आएगा बीच में या फिर इनसिक्योरिटी आएगा तो वो ग्रो करना बंद कर देगा मुझे.
Correct.
I am the most successful out of my group, but if my friends do well or sometimes surpass a song, so why not? We are all doing it for good, putting good music up there. तो जब
Yeah.
किसी और आर्टिस्ट का भी गाना चल जाता है, जैसे चलो जैसे किंग है, who's a new kid on the block, I'm happy that melody and original गाना चल रहा है.
Yeah.
So my fans know exactly that if I'm supporting, there has some value in it. Whether it's my friends, whether it's another artist, ऐसे नहीं support करूँगा. So that is very good, and I'm lucky that I don't have yes men as friends around me. When I made a bad song, they tell me to my face. When I don't like something in the song, I tell it to them. तो ऐसी एनर्जी होती है ना सर, तो फिर म्यूजिक अच्छा ही बनता है क्लैन ऑफ पीपल से.
So that's how we're lucky, like, you know, when we are together also and we're making music. So our work is also play and our play is also work. And with honesty and within the friendship, now, you know, you can obviously try to say the truth and be honest about your opinion about even a line or a beat or anything that we come up with. We always have like an honest opinion for each other's music, at least amongst our friends who regularly review it with each other.
बहुत सारे लोग बोल रहे हैं like Aditi, they saying कि मुझे लगा कि ये दो अमाल कहाँ से आ गए, like you guys are like looking at. So we're getting a lot of love from even overseas. Sneha from US, she's like just woken up morning, and Indonesia said Dylan.
Hello.
Oh my God. He's also saying hi. So I think the way music breaks barriers is amazing, yeah. So the way it connects. Amal, let's just listen to something.
Yeah.
We did
something, Amal.
I'm all.
You might have to move the phone a little away from the speaker, because like the sound goes away. When you were playing I Miss You Amore, the sound was going away.
I was just kind of dropping.
I think कनेक्शन कुछ तो गड़बड़ हो रहा. मेरे घर का वाईफाई वैसे ही बदनाम है, चलता ही नहीं.
Wow.
सब लोग सर सब लिखते हैं कि सर वाईफाई का बिल
अभी आई नहीं है
वाईफाई. Okay, now it's clear. See,
Yeah.
That's right.
The internet broke then, so we can. So 2-3 गाने जो मैं देख रहा हूँ उनका एक छोटा मैच.
One of my favorite written songs, man. Jaan hai meri. What lyrics, bro. Rashmi Virag killed it. Yeah.
Just the idea, like it's organically it's happening. शाम के टाइम पे 3 दोस्त बैठे हैं, बात कर रहे हैं और बहुत सारे दोस्त सुन रहे हैं. Like what else we want, man?
Such a happy day.
But Amal, really thank you for actually bringing out Chris Baz, you know, and supporting. When you say that all of us we need to grow together, चाहे वो Red FM Indies है या फिर I think overall independent music as a whole, तो एक दूसरे को support करना है तो you're really putting.
And that's the best thing Red FM Indies does. Yeah, the support they give to independent artists is amazing. You know, like I'm really happy we have something like this in our country.
Thanks, man.
Always बहुत stations है दुनिया भर में, but India में if there was any one station which understands how to support newcomers and
stands for independence and
that the most. And मैं ऐसे ही नहीं बोल रहा हूँ because like I know Nisha ma'am or I've met her or because I love you so much, Sachin sir, but it is not because of those things. It is because overall as the communities of RJs at Red, the programming at Red, the people involved, they celebrated my 100th song, you know, when I went to do Tujhe Chahta Hu Kyun. Like I was overwhelmed. I was like, first time मेरा गाना celebrate हो रहा है कहीं रेडियो स्टेशन पे. किसी ने like no one had done it like that. And I think it's the best way. And I'm obviously also ठीक है मुझे 9-10 साल हो गए now as a music director हो रहा है. But I'm still young at heart and there's a lot of music that I listen to. And that's the reason why even MWM came about, why Krish also started kicking in. It's because we all as artists want to do the music of our hearts. And tomorrow there are young rappers who are going to be featuring with Krish on his label. There are newer singers that are going to sing on my label. There's a new boy that I'm going to do an EP for. Jo ga raha hai, but he's reluctant to be in the video. He's like, I need to train, sir. So he's singing, I am featuring, and I'm composing the song. But आवाज एक नई लड़के की होगी. तो ऐसी चीजें भी कर रहे हैं क्योंकि people want, if I can be the Zaria to help not just my friends, any musician who wants to good original music, then why not? I'm the flag bearer of original music for last 10 years. So let's do it.
Because I'm really appreciate, what we are trying to do here. पिछले 3 साल से हमें पूरे प्रोजेक्ट में वो इसलिए हो पा रहा है. I'll give you the reason because a lot of our RJs, like I'm there, Jayman is there in Mumbai, Gaurav is there in Dehradun. There's so many of them who are making their own music. We are writing our own stuff. We are also making songs. I'm into poetry. Somebody's into rap. All of us, we are approaching sound and music through different ways. And we obviously will look up to the process. All of you that you making music, it's a mutual respect. So हम जब म्यूजिक के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं ना तो ऐसा नहीं है कि टाइम पास अच्छा गाना आ गया उसके बारे में बात कर लेते हैं, वीडियो के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं. We want to first of all chill with musicians like this and then talk relevant stuff.
Yeah.
It should not be like an interview. I don't want to interview you. Like, no, definitely. I want to
just want to know what went behind making the song or what he thought about.
And the essence of it and the process. And sometimes it's just like, I'm always telling me like he'll come to Delhi and we'll hang. And हम शायद music के बारे में बात ऐसी ना करें, but we'll just have fun. We'll just meet and maybe go to places to eat or chill.
His verses, he sent me something and he does background score behind those dialogues, everything. You hear the music and I would say the heart connection. Yani connections to sabke hote, the connection he has with poets and ghazal singers and the music scene at Delhi. There's so much. You and Hashim need to make a trip.
We must go. We must go.
Eat and do.
Yeah, we must go.
Listen to such music and go to places. Khana to mere liye hai. Gana bhi aap dila dena. Let us hear. But I would say, sir, like, recently an RJ who was doing an interview of mine, RJ Chabi, I think Red से ही है शायद, उसने I think गाया था और we released a song on MWM. So if you guys have good songs, please give it to me. I will release it. Please, MWM is waiting for artists who want to put their soul and voice out. Even if you feel that you want to say शायरी, like आप अपने channel पे please डालिए. But if you feel something special where I do the background score and you just recite verses, we can put a lyrical like that also. ऐसा कुछ we should do something.
That's a really good message for everyone who's watching the live.
Yeah,
and if you have any good music and who you truly wish to put it out there and you believe in your music, please play it to Amal, and I'm sure he'll do his best to support it.
Yeah,
it's
truly
amazing thing, man.
The reason why Dad and I started the label. It's a label by the artists for all the artists who want to do good original art work.
And it's very secure, very happy thing that you're doing. कि सिर्फ अपना नहीं करना है, म्यूजिक सब में बांट के करना है और जितना ये हैबिट बांटेंगे बढ़ाएंगे उतना वापस आएगा सबके लिए. मतलब इट्स अ वेरी हैप्पी ग्रोथ. इट्स वेरी स्पिरिचुअल वे ऑफ डीलिंग विद थिंग्स. थैंक्स मैन. Thank you.
Thank you for having us.
I want to say a big thank you to Sachin sir, to Red FM, to everyone who's in this radio station throughout India. And the only guys who I know who know how to support and promote indie music. And I think they've done a fabulous job by time and again supporting us. And listen to Band Karke Chalu Karke Dekh. It's already out on all audio platforms. Miss You Amore to aap sun hi rahe ho. Wo 10 din pehle aa gaya tha. But the video has just come out. Check it out. It's on Matteo Bocelli's YouTube channel.
And it's very nicely done. Very nicely done.
Directed by Arif Khan and written by Kunal Verma. Music by me, sung by Sukriti Prakriti. एंड बंद करके चालू करके इज कमिंग वेरी सून. उसका बताएंगे आपको क्रिश अगले लाइव में जब हम मिलेंगे फिर.
Yeah, I'm
Thank
very
you.
excited for everyone to hear my voice. This is going to be my first vocal that ever plays on radio. So if I hear myself on radio, I'll lose my mind, honestly.
This year,
And this is also the first time anyone will see me in front of the camera. So I'm really working to put the video out soon and waiting for everyone to see it.
So I think
it's amazing.
Chris,
It's gonna kill it.
Amal will also come to Delhi. Then that's the time you can also make a trip. हम
Yeah.
radio या studio में
100%.
सुनेंगे music.
Sir, honestly, I want to tell you something that I'm not a rapper, born rapper. I'm honestly a musician, and Band Karke Chalu Karke just naturally came as a song, and it demanded a rap verse because it was something that needed more of a message, you know, a verse that sends a message across to the listeners. So I wanted to give it like that, you know. So, and all the hearing experience I have over the years somehow naturally brought out the rap out of me. And this is not, I'm not a rapper as a natural rapper. I make a lot of pop music and soothing music as well. So I would love for the audience to stay tuned to that as well.
Yes.
Thank you.
Don't worry. Keep doing different stuff. Like I understand where you're coming from, because when I did Suraj Dubai or any song like that, they said EDM banata hai. So
You're an EDM music composer. You must have heard that a lot.
So keep different genres. We'll surprise them, and I'm sure you'll also surprise them.
Yeah, because music is a mood business, you know, like it's not just एक ही type का गाना, you know, the different moods, and every people have their own perception towards every song. So, and they want to send their own private message through a song. And I really like to connect with the audience and try to say something that everyone would love to relate to, you know.
Nice.
And that'll be my intention every time when I remove a song.
I think मुंबई, दिल्ली, बैंगलोर सब जगह एक बात तो कंफर्म कि पूरे इंडिया में लोग ये फोन खराब हो गया करके चालू करके देखे. इतनी कॉमन बात है. I think it's got what it takes to like become a viral one.
Because the problem is small, we make it big in our head and we look for help. कि अरे यार फोन जब ठीक होएगा तब मैं फोन करूंगा उसको. नहीं भाई, पहले एक बार बंद कर ले, चालू कर ले. Try it yourself, you know.
I think अभी बहुत सारे questions नहीं आ रहे हैं, तो हम but जितने भी messages we are getting from listeners, thank you for being here. चाहे वो इंडिया
इन लोग गाने वाने जो कर रहे हैं, इन लोग मैं रहूं सुन के जाना चाहते हैं. I'll sing it for them. Let me sing one song for them, and I'll just sing थोड़ा सा so that it ends on a musical note for them. नहीं तो they'll be like आप सिर्फ बातें कर रहे थे, आज कुछ सुनाया नहीं. So this is to all the listeners. Thank you for loving us. Thank you for coming live with RJ Sachin, me, and Krish. And this is my message to all the listeners always. मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, तुम मुझ में कहीं बात मुझे नींद आए जो आखिरी, तुम ख्वाबों में आते रहना, बस इतना है तुम से कहना.
Yeah, this case was for the listeners and not for both of us.
Love you guys.
So whoever's listening, obviously they can imagine the song because it's embedded into their brains. So even where the audio gets mute, when Amal is singing, people have it ringing in their heads.
गा रही है.
Yeah.
But ये मेरा last message है आज का कि thank you to all of us for making this happen, and thank you to all of you all for coming in. And just want to say मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, हम रहे या ना रहे, अच्छे गाने सुनो, अच्छे नए आर्टिस्ट को सपोर्ट करो, ओरिजिनल आर्टिस्ट को सपोर्ट करो. जो अच्छे रीमिक्सेस है उनको थोड़ा बहुत सपोर्ट कर लो, बट ओरिजिनल को ज्यादा सपोर्ट करो.
I know where you go.
और जो खराब बैंड बजा देना.
I'll do that. Go on, Krish.
Thank you. Hope to see you soon in Delhi. Hope we visit you soon.
Yeah. We need to go at least to have the dal makhani. It's been too long.
Definitely.
The real one.
See you guys.
Thank you for having us.